So I ordered a Kindle Basic on Black Friday and it was delivered today. And I also bought a flip cover, as you can see here. And in this video I will unbox these two and do a first start of the Kindle to see that it works. In later videos I will do some comparison with the Kobo Clara 2e in size and so on. And I will also have some videos talking about using the Kindle Paperwhite that I already have and the Kindle Basic together. So here we have a package, quite simple package, as you can see here, 16 GB black. And here in Sweden we don't get ads on the Kindles, so that will be interesting to see if I get ads on this or not, or if I can have the book cover as a screensaver. So here we also see a 6-inch touch display, weeks of battery life of built-in light, and USB-C of course. Nice. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, very simple package. I had it the wrong way apparently, but here we have the Kindle itself. Let's see that later. And here we have some instructions and startup guides and so on. USB-C port and a power button, exactly as on the Kindle Paperwhite. And here there is some warranty and such stuff that nobody reads. And here we have a charging cable. Could be good to have, but I already have a lot of USB-C cables. But it's good to have it in the box. No charging plug though. Not the longest cable either. I don't think it's 1 meter even. But one cable is in the box, and that's great. And the Kindle itself here then. Quite nice packaging there. Apple-like packaging. And here we have, wow, it was heavier than I thought it should be. That's good, because then we have some good battery life, maybe. So it feels very, very plastic on the backside, almost as bad as on the Kobo Clara 2e. Very plastic, these two. The Kindle Paperwhite has a much better backside. It's rubberized and feels very good in the hands. So it's a huge difference to the Kindle Basic when it comes to the feel of the backside of it. Of course, I will have a cover on it anyway, so it doesn't matter so much. But let's turn it on for the first time. And meanwhile, we can unbox the cover here. Kindle fabric cover for the basic Kindle. '11th generation, that means hopefully it's not for the Paperwhite, because then I have a wrong cover. Let's choose English here. Next. Let's wait. United States, maybe. I live in Sweden, and that's a very bad thing with Kindles, that it doesn't support Swedish so good. You don't have any Swedish dictionary and so on. You don't have the Swedish language when it comes to the UI. And so on. So that's a bit bad actually. As you can see, it's not for the Paperwhite. I was a bit worried there. 11th generation. I didn't know that the Kindle Basic was the 11th generation exactly as the paper white is. So here is a fabric cover for the Kindle, and here is an instruction on how to mount it. As you can see, quite easy. So here we have the fabric cover. We can compare it to the flip cover for the Clara 2E. I must say that I think the quality on the Clara 2E flip cover is better, because this is leather and feels very, very good on the back side and so on for the Clara 2E. So the flip cover, the sleep cover for the Clara 2E feels better than the Kindle fabric cover. But let's hope it's good enough. But let's do the rest here first before we mount it in the cover. Set up with your phone. I think I will do that because that's easier. Where is my phone? It's in my pocket. Shit. The cover did so that it was sleeping. Not good. Open the Kindle app on your phone. Let's do that. Like so. I have opened the Kindle app on my phone. As you see here, new Kindle found. Start setup now. Very, very easy to do. I love this. Amazon Kindle is like iPhones when it comes to easiness and user friendliness and user experience. I love that. So, register your Kindle. Yes. Link and continue. Like so. Really nice. And now I should choose a Wi-Fi network. Like so. So, finish. Your Kindle is now logged into your Amazon account and Wi-Fi. Switch back to your Kindle to continue. Yes, we do that. So, as you saw, very easy to set up a Kindle. I love that. Hi, Stefan. Next. It feels very good in the hand. The size of it, I really love the size of this Kindle Basic. Very easy to hold. A bit smaller bezels than the Clara 2E though. I love big bezels when you're reading, but this is smaller. But I think the device is smaller too, so that's... Yes, the Kindle Basic is smaller. So I think that's a good thing when it comes to Kindle Basic. No, I don't want this to be a Kindle kid friendly. No thanks. So now we have... No, I don't want Audible because I live in Sweden and I don't like that we don't have any Swedish books in the Kindle bookstore. I don't need an introduction, but I already have Kindle, so I don't need any introductions. Like so. Done. I think this is already done for this video soon. I will now mount it for this cover. But Let's open the same book as I have reading on the Kindle Paperwhite to see that everything works as it should. I will do later videos with my experience of this and a review and all that, so you will have to wait for that. But I think the size of this is great, and the weight is great, and everything feels fine when it comes to the quality so far. And it takes a while to sync everything I see, so let's mount the case. Like so. Very sturdy. Love that. So the sleep cover is on, and it feels great in the hand. Really great actually. So we have the power button at the bottom. I don't like that, but it's on the bottom of it, and you have a USB-C, and that's it. Now we have a case, and how easy it is to read with the case we will see later on in my review. Love this so far. So that was it for this video. Okay, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.